What's up, everyone? This is Fish Happens back with another episode. This is going to be video number 3 on my boat rebuild. Before I get into this, I would like to say that if you're in the Texarkana area, Texarkana, Texas, or Arkansas, I have a business email account that I've set up. So if you have a small business in the Texarkana area and you want to help me support, or you want to help support my channel, shoot me an email, and that's going to be down in the description of the video. Other than that, let's get to it. Enjoy. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for this video. Pretty much what I've gotten done is the floor's done. All that I have left is going to be storage boxes, stuff like that. And that's going to be on the next video. I hope you enjoyed. And remember, if you've got a small business in the Texarkana, Texas or Arkansas area, and you want to help me with my channel as well, then shoot me an email. It's going to be down in the description below, and we'll talk about something. Talk about a possible sponsorship, something like that. That being said, I hope you enjoyed. Signing out.